This is the era of building. So if you are not building something cool, you are totally lag behind. In these videos, I'm going to cover Claude Code and the best workflows ever I have learned. Last couple of days, I have been trying to what is the most efficient workflows of Claude Code. I found this is the best and the most easiest way to build or create something cool. In this video, I'm going to cover these things, what I learned. And if you're not learning Claude Code, you are totally lag behind because there are tons of people, also builders are developing their own ideas into real-time businesses. So it's time to build, and it's 2026. It's time to adapt with the new tools or new technologies that has been coming up with us. So let's get it started. For this, first of all, we're gonna go to VS Code, which is completely a free tool. So first of all, we're gonna select a new folder from here. Let's Control Shift, and we're gonna creating a new folder. Just write Cloud projects, write down the name of a folder and select the folder as well. So first of all, right, we just going to go to our terminal. Please open up a we're gonna open up a terminal, and boom, that is that. It has been started. It says right now Cloud Cloud. So we are running our Claude Code Opus 4.5, super fast as well. So right now we're gonna just go to our planning mode right away. So just press on Windows Shift and Tab. You can switch the mode, which mode you want it to go to. For example, you can accept that it is, you can planning mode on, or you can do whatever you want. So first of all, as I wanted to start a new ideas or trying to build something, so I'm gonna select the plan mode, and then I will try to ask for ideas, try to build things, what gonna be better for me, and UX designs and so on it can do. So just write something and try to build it. I would want it to solve a problem by my own. So as I'm an introvert, so just build something for introvert. So I wanted to build for something for introverts. Give me idea. Right now I'm in on planning mode. It will give me plan what I gonna go for and what I really wanted to build. So first of all, I'm just getting ideas. Here's some of the projects for ideas for introverts. So the communication of social tools like messaging app, social battery tracker, or even exit strategy planner, productivity and personality, solo activity filter, meeting preparation assistance for text for customer service bot, and wellness and self-care, quiet space finder, retail reminder journaling app with the prompts, a lot of things that comes with. And then it also give me the project type. What is the project type of mine? So there is a web applications, desktop applications, mobile apps, CLI tools, and a lot more that has been present. So I wanted to build social battery tracker. So this pretty finder because every introvert has a problem that when they go to on socials, they are pretty feel insecure. Track energy level and get reminders to recharge. I will go for the first one. There's gonna be web applications and also project types I have selected, and second one, social communications, productivity, willingness, or professional. So I will go to social and communications category, and I have selected. And what type of project you're interested in building? Web applications I have selected. Which categories appeal to you most? Social communications, and right now is going to I'm gonna submit this. It will come up with ideas and it will find the things wanted to build. So pretty amazing. They're just several years back, like 2 years back, you cannot start with that. So social energy dashboard, what gonna be the app features, and you can also switch your plan, like you can go back and whatever you wanted to add it, you can do as well. So social energy dashboard and conversation helper, communications manager, async messaging, and a lot more things. So I love the idea completely. And what's your web development experience? So it's asking about me, what is my experience as a new web development, learning and basic, intermediate, comparable JS, HTML, JS, and some of firmware experience, advanced with modern frameworks like full stack development and so on. As I'm working for the beginners, so I'm gonna go to beginners, or you can select according to your own. So as I'm just showing what is the workflow, so I'm just gonna click more intermediate and let's submit my answer as well. It will ask me the questions and trying to know about me, what is my kind of level. So that's the thing I really love about Cloud Code. You cannot find these type of workflows on any other vibe coding tools. Right now it's asking me about what is gonna be the features. So here is the features is energy and ligatures and so on. So I love about the things what are has been represented to me. What tech stack would you prefer? The React and Firebase recommended, and Vanilla JS to local storage. I'm gonna go for the second one, local storage, and that's it for me. It's just like your employee, your co-work in asking what you want. It's adding features, it can subtract features, and it also are trying to know you. So right now, Cloud Code come up with the written up. The plan is already execute. So would you like to process? Yes, clear context, auto complete edits. Shift and tab if you wanted to just cut off some of the or add something. You can also shift tab and you can go back and can also edit your own ideas. And the second one is auto accept edits and manually approve the edits, and all type of cloud you can want to change. There's also the better tail to Cloud Code and this. So I just gonna approve what I accept and edits as well. Just trying to build automatically. It is the easiest workflow, so I just simply go with that. So it's creating the project structures and the index.html, create a CS styles and create the storage JS module and so on. This has been worked, and it also give me the things that I really want. So what it did, let's try to understand. So we don't need to understand what is the thing that has been added. Open up the folder and energy dashboard and open the index on your browser. It also give me the instructions as well. Here we go. We are here. Social energy dashboard. It has been comes up with that. So social energy dashboard, social triggers. It looks nice, you know. So social energy dashboard. Here's some energy right now. There's a note optional. So affected your energy today. I got to talk with people. So there's a note, and in this wiki it is tracking my energy of as well. So I got shy to talk. So it's pretty cool.